Oh, yeah, that's nice. Okay, I can get it on the top, and then that's not where it's supposed to be.
So tell me what you think about this, what it says.
About what?
Didn't you say something about it being easy?
The box!
What about the box?
Fucking lies. It says it's easy. It leaves out steps and the pictures aren't very helpful. Ow. And it doesn't tell you, it says, just take out the old one. Like you're supposed to know how to do that. Jeez.
So you want to become a plumber?
No.
Why not?
This is stupid. I don't know what I'm doing here, right?
Well, we'll find out when we get water all over the floor.
You look at it.
Why should I look at it? You're the one that started this project.
Oh.
No.
You did it.
No, I didn't.
You bought this damn thing.
You got tired of waiting for me.
Yeah, it's been months.
No, it hasn't.
Yes, it has.
It's only been like 2 or 3 days.
Oh, yeah. It's probably been 6 months.
No.
It was here when my mom was here to visit last time.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I eat you.
Why?
Look at this. Look at it.
I am looking at you doing this. It's hilarious.
I'm going to break your phone.